Today we learn how to install a free demo e-commerce website in Elementor and also know which theme I use for this demo version. So let's start. Today we learn how to install Royal Elementor Kit theme and import a demo website for e-commerce. First, I'm going to Appearance, then Themes. Now, add new themes. Search here Royal Elementor. You can see here is the Royal Elementor Kit theme. You should install this theme. Installation complete. Now active the theme. Now you should install the necessary elements. Get start. Okay, installation complete. Just continue. Okay, now you can see here is the Royal Add-ons menu. Now I am going to plugins. Here is already the Elementor plugin installed. Now I want to import a demo website for e-commerce. Go to Royal Add-ons, Template Kits. Here is many free template. You can see the preview and install the theme also. Now I want to install a e-commerce demo website. So simply I write here eCommerce, and here is premium version, and also that is one is free. Now I'm going to little bit, and here is a free theme that's look better. So I preview this theme and import this. Here is the home page, here is the shop page, single product, cart, blog, single blog, about, contact, etc. Now I want to import the template kits. Yes, okay. And here is the processing, the installation and activating the plugins. It's take some times. Please wait until the installation process is complete. Okay, the imported was successful. Now you can visit your site. See, here is a beautiful website for e-commerce. Everything is done. Don't forget subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.